Finally back here with something new.
Hey, look, he's back! Hey.
Have you missed opportunities in our recent shared high-paying websites?
Man, I need a job.
Worry less, we still got you with more opportunities that surely you won't miss one. Today, I bring you Mindrift.ai. It's a new website by Toloka that has really many opportunities and it's highly paying. Will you fail to be a data entry expert? A data annotator? Just using simple softwares on UPC? You won't. Now we have the following opportunities on Mindrift AI, and I'm gonna explain the step by step. We have a writer position, a domain expert position, an editor position, and an expert annotator position. Exactly as I told you.
Wow.
Let's dive in to know what it takes. Number 1, writer position. What should be your qualifications to be part of AI Writers team? First, you need to have proven experience copywriting and editing in English. Secondly, you should hold a bachelor's degree in communications, linguistics, literature, psychology, or a related field. Thirdly, you should be ready to learn new technologies, adapt to new projects, and follow complex instructions as you will be working. Number 2, the domain expert position. What are the qualifications for the domain expert position in Mindrift AI? Number 1, you should have passion for writing, rewriting, editing, and fact-checking. Secondly, you should be a recent graduate or an established professional in your respective field. And lastly, readiness to learn new technologies, adapt to new projects, and follow complex instructions. This basically means your resume or cover letter should reflect all this or 70% of this. I can see someone by this far is developing interest.
You're smiling at me! Are you smiling at me?
Number 3, editor expert position. What qualifications do you need? 1, you need proven experience copywriting and editing in English. Number 2, you should have a proven editing experience is essential. A degree in literature, linguistics, or a related field is a plus. Lastly, it's readiness to learn new technologies, adapt to new projects, and follow complex instructions. And lastly, the final position.
Step 4, step in front of the camera, become a model.
Number 4, expert annotator position. What does it take to qualify to be an expert annotator at Mindrift? You should have great command of English, upper intermediate or higher. Secondly, you should be keen eye for detail. Data labeling is all about precision. And finally, as usual, readiness to learn new technologies, adapt to new projects, and follow complex instructions.
There are 4 steps to becoming a drag queen.
But that's like step 37, and we're still on step 4.
Thank you for watching this long. I'm giving out 2 rewards to you as our loyal viewer and subscriber.
Oh, a gift for me?
Number 1 reward is this website called Alignair by Labelbox. I will provide the link down the description. It has recently announced AI training post-ions that pay up to $60 hourly. Go try it before we make a guide video. Isn't that awesome? Let's check out.
Now, is this an appropriate gift for me?
Number 2 reward is resume templates.
Why would you think this is an appropriate gift?
Many of you have contacted me with questions that which resume fits, and here we respond. We are giving this resumes to the first 5 comments who need them for free, and the rest will be going only at $7. Contact us only through our email attached to channel. Imagine getting all this tutorial for free and failing to hit the subscribe button.
Brother, what's that?
Be a task ninja and let's do this. Subscribe and let us make it count through quality videos. Remember to leave comments for any burning quiz you may have. See you soon. Be the early bird. Be a task ninja.